Hi guys, welcome back. This is Stephanie Childs for DHgate, and today we got another question. This is a very simple question to answer, and it is how to contact DHgate. In case you have just a random question, in case you want to find a product, in case you got a problem with the seller, in case you got a suggestion, whatever it is, you want to contact DHgate. And there are many ways to do it. So let me just go through them very quickly and let's get started. Let's go to our page. So first of all, if you got a question, like a general question, hey, I just want to know if, what is the buying process? I want to know how long it will take. I don't know. If you got just those kind of questions, first of all, before trying to contact customer service, go ahead into our frequently asked questions section, and then here maybe you will find the answer to your question. So how do you find this frequently asked questions section? You just go to DHgate.com and go right here at the bottom, and then you select the help option, the third one. So then you click help, and then it opens this section here where you can browse through different questions that you might have. In case that your question is not related to this, or you want to contact DHgate for another reason, then we got other options. If you have something related to your orders, the recent orders that you placed, then you can contact DHgate through their customer service. And on this frequently asked questions, on the left side you can see here new buyer guide, and then you open that, and then it's contact us, and then you see this option, contact customer service center, and then if you click on that, it will open this, and then you have the option between chatting online. It is 24 hours 7 days a week, so then anytime you can do this, sending in a message and you will have a reply within 24 hours. A dispute zone, this is just the frequently asked questions about it. Then on social media, you can on Facebook specifically, you can write a message on Facebook, and then the customer service is going to reply to you. So of course, the highly recommended one is the chat, online chat, because it's going to be instant, it's going to be right now, and maybe they can find an answer right now. Email and message is going to take longer. So I mean, if you're busy, maybe a message is better, but if you're not, go ahead, send a message, chat message. And then if your question is related to your product, let's please remember that DHgate is not the store. DHgate is just the middle part, you know, the one that connects sellers with buyers. So if you have a question like, hey, I want to know if this product it's available in this size, or I want to know if this specific product that you already bought has this detail, I don't know, anything that is related to the product, you have to contact your buyer, because DHgate doesn't know the details about all the products that buyers have. If you want to know how to contact a seller, I have another video about it. So then it's going to be around here. You can click it, you can see it, and then it's going to be useful for that. Then if you want to contact DHgate for any media inquiries, then that's the email, media@dhgate.com. So yeah, that's it. So basically the main part you want to look at is whether you want to contact DHgate through chat, through message, or through Facebook, and then the customer service team is going to answer all of your questions, what you need to do, the process, and just guide you all the way. And actually you can access this contact link part if you go to the main page, and then you go again all the way down, and then you click here on the right side that it says customer service, and then you click on that. So then if you want to online chat, you click on this, and then it opens this chat thingy, and then it's, remember, 24 hours 7 days a week. And then if you want to send a message, then it will say, oh, we highly recommend a chat, because it's always available. But if you want to send a message, go ahead, and then if you really want to send a message, then you click again. So if you click on here, it will take you to the DHgate customer service Facebook page, and also you can do it through the main DHgate Facebook page. Is this one. It's just Facebook/DHgate. And if you go to the about section, and then it says here send message, and then you can send a message to them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions, please let me know on the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.